Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this particular video. This video is a part of our series of Capital Compass wherein we are doing product deep dives. Today we are going to be looking at Cubic.dev, an AI-powered code review platform that has been getting attention in the developer tools space. It is designed to automate the initial review of pull requests with the goal of helping development teams move faster while catching more issues. Let's start with a bit of a context out here. The code review challenge. Code review is a standard part of most development workflows, but it often creates bottlenecks. As teams grow and adopt AI code generation tools, the volume of code to review has increased significantly. Developers report spending substantial time reviewing the pull requests, and some issues still slip through to production. The challenge has evolved with AI coding tools. While these tools help generate code faster, the review process remains largely manual. Teams sometimes find themselves approving AI generated code without fully understanding all the changes, which can introduce new types of risks. So, what is Cubic.dev? Cubic.dev was founded by Alice Yao, who previously worked on Instagram stories at Meta, and Paul Sangal, who has experience at ML companies including Tessier. They are building a platform that performs automated code reviews when pull requests are opened. Here's how it works. When you create a pull request, Cubic CI reviews the changes in a secure container environment. The system examines your code base by using similar tools to what a human reviewer would use. It can jump to function definitions, search through code, and understand the broader context of the changes. According to the company, teams using Cubic report merging pull requests about 28% faster. The AI identifies potential bugs, code patterns that might cause issues, and technical debt. While it finds problems, it suggests specific fixes rather than just highlighting the issues. The team has focused on reducing what they call noise, that is, false positive alerts that don't represent real problems. They report achieving a 51% reduction in false positives compared to their earlier versions. Let's do a deep dive into how it works. Cubic approaches code review differently from other traditional tools. Instead of presenting file changes in alphabetical order, it uses AI to organize diffs and what it determines is the most logical sequence for the review. The platform also generates visual diagrams of architectural changes, giving reviewers a high level overview before they dive into specific code changes. The company has taken a focused approach, concentrating specifically on code review rather than trying to build a broader development platform. Their experience suggests that specialized tools often perform better than generalist solutions for specific tasks. So, who's using Cubic.dev? Cubic has attracted users from various types of development teams. Some users include Cal.com, N8N, and the Linux Foundation. The feedback from these teams provides insight into how the platform performs in real world scenarios. One developer with over 13 years of experience mentioned that Cubic catches issues that they regularly missed, comparing it favorably to other AI coding tools that they have tried. The Better Authentic team reports using Cubic to manage their high volume of pull requests more efficiently. The types of issues Cubic identifies include potential null pointer differences, race conditions, and coding patterns that might lead to problems down the line. However, like any automated tool, it is not perfect and works best as a part of a broader code review process rather than a complete replacement for human oversight. Let's turn our attention to the business model and accessibility. Cubic operates on a subscription model at $30 per developer per month for private repositories. This positions it in the premium tier of developer tool. However, they offer the service free for public repositories, which makes it accessible for open source projects. The company is a part of Y Combinator's current batch and also has backing from other investors, including the Versil Ventures. They are also attracted investment from several figures in the developer community. The platform supports multiple programming languages, including JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Go, Ruby, Java, and others. And it makes it broadly applicable across different tech stacks. Let's also look at the current limitations and considerations. As with any AI powered tool, Cubic has limitations worth considering. While we have reduced false positives significantly, some will still occur. The effectiveness likely varies depending on complexity and style of your code base. The tool requires integrating with your GitHub workflow, which means adopting another service in your development pipeline. For teams that are already using multiple tools, this adds another dependency to manage. Since Cubic performs its analysis in containers, there are security considerations around code access, though the company provides documentation about their privacy and security practices. The pricing model means smaller teams or individual developers might find the monthly cost significant, especially when scaled across multiple team members. Looking ahead, we can say that the Cubic team has broader ambitions beyond the code review. They describe their long-term vision as building AI-native replacement to GitHub, focused on developer collaboration. Whether this vision materializes remains to be seen, but it indicates their intentions to expand beyond their current focus area. For now, they're concentrating on refining their core code review functionality and working with their existing customer base to improve the product. In closing, we can say that Cubic.dev represents an interesting approach to automating part of the development workflow. Whether it makes sense for your team depends on factors like your current code review process, your current bottlenecks, your budget, and the comfort level with AI assisted tools. If you're curious about the AI powered code review, Cubic offers a free trial period. And as with any development tool, the best way to evaluate it is to try for your actual code base and for your workflow. That's all that we have for you in this episode of the Product Deep Dive. Hope you are enjoying this series. Do stay tuned in for the next one.